Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Robilyn Bagas from Tuga, Tabuk, Kalinga, Philippines. I'm 44 years old, married, have two sons in the age of 21 and 19 years old. My hobbies are playing volleyball, cooking, and dancing. I have an experience in Doha, Qatar for almost 10 months. I have served one couple, 3 child with the age of 9 and 5 years old twins. My duties and responsibilities are take care of them, like giving the foods, give them vitamin, and fix them when they are going to school. To the laundry, washing the clothes, washing the car, ironing, and keep the clean house and tight. I want to go and Hong Kong because of my family needs. To my future employees, please hire me. I'm honest, loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. And I hope that you will hire me as soon as possible as your helper. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.